Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda CRV engine air filter, easy method. Begin by gathering a new filter, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a clean rag. Park on a level surface, set the parking brake, and let the engine cool. Locate the airbox near the front of the engine bay, then remove fasteners carefully and keep them organized for reassembly. Open the hood and visually identify the rectangular airbox assembly on the passenger side. Remove clips or 10mm screws holding the cover and set them aside in order. Lift the cover straight up, taking care not to pull on any hoses or sensors. Remove the old filter and inspect the airbox for debris, wiping or vacuuming it out so the new filter seats properly and seals evenly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying the garage effortless and funny when it avoids your toolbox. I use it between projects to keep dust out of filters and vents, and it saves time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new filter into the airbox, with the rubber rim flush against the housing and pleats aligned with airflow. Reposition the cover and tighten screws, or reattach clips in a cross pattern to ensure even pressure and a good seal. Reconnect any removed hoses or sensors, then close the hood. Start the engine briefly to confirm normal intake noise and no warning lights, and enjoy cleaner airflow and improved efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.